Want to type faster on your iPhone? Let me show you how to use text replacement. It's one of the best hidden features in iOS. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General, then tap Keyboard. Now, tap on Text Replacement. Here you'll see a list of shortcuts you've already created, or it might be empty if you're new to it. To add a new one, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. In the Phrase field, type the full text you want your shortcut to expand into. For example, on my way. Then, in the Shortcut field, type something short like OMW, tap Save. Now, whenever you type OMW in messages or notes, your iPhone will automatically replace it with on my way. You can create as many shortcuts as you want, like your email, address, or favorite replies. It works system-wide in almost any app that uses the keyboard. That's it. You've mastered text replacement on iPhone. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.